Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to Dumaguete City. You see guys? Reels pa more. So these are the rabbits. This is our blue-eyed white. Look at that. A blue-eyed white right next to a red-eyed white rabbit. Ooh, and the agouti wants in on the action. Okay. Okay guys, wait. I'm gonna give you your feeds in just a minute. They still have mango, but they do not have their feeds anymore. They eat much faster than these lion heads. See, both the cages of the lion heads still have feed. But these guys already ran out of their feed. It's because they're a bigger breed of rabbits. Lionheads are a small breed. These guys are medium breed rabbits. So they consume more feeds. And a PS100 rabbit, like the one I got from Sir Waldo, it could finish a whole J feeder by himself. The plastic one, that is. I might have to switch him out with one of these metal ones, which is a little bit larger than the plastic J feeders. Hala, luoy na kayo sila guys. Oh, they want to eat pellets. How many guys are in this cage? 2, 4, 6, and 4 here. But I can't balance the cages out because on the right side are males and on the left side, on the right side are females, and here at the left side are males. So You can see a red-eyed and a blue-eyed rabbit. In the US, there's a difference of $50 for blue-eyed rabbits because it's so uncommon. It's rare to have blue-eyed rabbits. Okay guys, that's it. And Lipay Lifestyle signing off.